party outside is Wonder Smith. In the middle, Naughty Tata. Then followed by Graceful. Life is Delicious, Pure Diva. And Run of Mine in that order. And going along for the first turn, we have TP Tyler 2 by about 2 lengths. Wonder Smith is right behind in second. 4 lengths though in third, Graceful. Then followed by Naughty Tata. Life is Delicious now moving up to take fourth. Then followed now by Run of Mine and Pure Diva still running in last. Approaching the fourth turn, TP Tyler 2 by only a head. Moving a party outside now is Wonder Smith. Life is Delicious now moving up to take third. Alongside Graceful, Naughty Tata. Then followed by Run of Mine and Pure Diva. Now we have Wonder Smith, this time by about 4 lengths as they come down at the last 200. Wonder Smith by about 4 lengths. TP Tyler 2 still in second, moving up in the middle. Life is Delicious, Graceful. And finally the program opener, Wonder Smith. Second, TP Tyler 2. Graceful, Life is Delicious.
You just saw the instant replay of race number 1. Nakita natin ng datingan unofficially is 6, 3, 5, and 2. And Wonder Smith did quarter clockings of 7, 24, 24, and 26 for a total time of 1 minute 21 seconds flat for the distance of 1,300 meters.
Well, yun talaga